Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. These companies are getting creative as hell, and I'm not gonna lie, I am 100% here for it. So we have this company today called LUVME here. And first of all, I love amazing packaging, okay? So for this video, they actually sent me a U-part wig. This is my third U-part wig for the month of August. And it's so funny because you guys asked for this for so long. So now I'm actually getting a whole lot. I took on the responsibility of doing all these U-part wig videos because I feel like they're so cool and I love them. So today we have this black bob with the little bump. And I want to show you guys how inside looks. I'm actually surprised that there's no combs on the side right here. I wonder if that's gonna make any much of a huge difference. I just hope it's comfortable, okay? I look crazy. So pretty much I've been wearing this versatile braiding pattern, and I braid these parts down when I have to put on a lace frontal wig, and for any U-part wigs I just go ahead and unbraid these. I'm going to have to flat iron it. Now, I was gonna flat iron this part first, but then I figured I'm just gonna put the wig on first and then flat iron it from there. The cool thing about today's video is we're gonna actually do two wigs in one, if that kind of makes sense. So they sent me this colored clip-in, and pretty much we can put this into the wig, so it makes for, it's like two wigs in one, because you can either wear all black, or if you wanted to add some color, you can add some color to the wig by just easily snapping it on. So what I'm gonna do is, as you guys know, U-part wigs be having these elastic attaching both sides. Just go ahead and cut that off. Get your wig, put it on your head. Alright, so now I'm gonna start flat ironing my hair. So when I first got the wig, it was flipped up, which I think was the intended style, but I just decided to give you guys a look at all three different looks that you can really get with the wig. Actually, I did 4 different looks, but now I'm going to go ahead and just flat iron it underneath, because personally, I like when my wigs are flat irons underneath. Now, if I'm gonna be doing like an Instagram photo or like a fashion photo, then yes, I am gonna wear it flipped up because it's cute and it's trendy right now. So with this wig, I love that it just looks like I have a sew-in. I'm not gonna say it looks like my real hair, because obviously my hair is more of a coarser texture. I didn't flatten my hair to be super silky straight, but it looks really good. It feels like a, well, it doesn't feel like a sew-in, but it looks like a sew-in. And when I say feels like a sew-in, I mean like with the leave out and stuff like that. But I love this look. It's so easy for when you just don't feel like doing your hair. Oh guys, towards the end I did show you me taking it off because I was trying to do a realistic type of thing, like yeah, I'm cute. But at night, I'm taking this baby off to go to sleep and be comfortable. Okay, so here we have the blonde piece that we're going to be adding into the wig. I'm going to flat iron it just a little because I'm going to have to reflat iron it again once it's on the wig. And they gave me a couple of pieces. I would say about 3 strips-ish they kind of gave. So I'm going to show you how they look. It's the same clip piece that is on the wig. So you just snap it onto the wefts that are on the wig. So go ahead and make a part, find where the weft is, fill for it, and you're gonna take this blonde piece and attach it to the weft. Super easy, like you don't even have to know how to do hair, and you can definitely do this and achieve the look. Now it is flat though. I don't want you to worry and think like, is it gonna be bulky? Is my wig gonna feel weird? No, it feels like you don't even have the attachments in. So, and you can see it gives like a little hidden color kind of effect. Obviously, if I shake my head and move my head, you're gonna see this. So if you like a muted look, definitely, you know, put it a little bit lower. And if you like a look where it shows more color, then you can put it a little bit higher. The clip-in, you just have to keep in mind that now you're gonna have to blend in your real hair and the U-part wig and the clip-in. So I went ahead and I had to trim it because if not, it would have just been long, hanging long blonde pieces. And then right now, from now on, you're gonna just be blending it in and working it into the wig. This is how it looks. I actually like the hidden color. I'm not really a fan of black and blonde being mixed. I'm not, but for some reason, I kind of like this. I think because it's not as much blonde. I didn't have to do any work with the gotta be glue, wow. I didn't have to do any work with like bleaching powder, 40 developer, none of that stuff. I just added a clip in, and guess what? I don't want blonde anymore. I'm just gonna take out the clip in, and voila, we are done. I then tried to curl it. I wanted like that wavy, messy kind of bob look that, you know, some of the girls be wearing. So I was like, let me try that. I had to really work it in because honestly, I suck when it comes to curling short hair. I suck. So I had to really try to work it in and make it come out the way I was hoping for. So I used a flat iron for the entire portion of the video. And to be honest, I thought it was kind of cute. I liked it, especially with the behind my ears. I might actually rock this as a regular wig regularly, maybe in the upcoming months. Because sometimes, again, I just need a break from a wig. I always tell you guys that. I love my wigs though, but I need a break sometimes when I just need to get up and go and run out. So I love it like this. I think it's cute. It looks so mature. I love it. But all in all, my entire opinion on this wig is it's brilliant. Smart idea from the company. Super brilliant. It's flat. It looks natural. You don't have to do much work to it. It's easy. It's pretty much, it's easy. Okay? So love it. The hair had great movement. It was nice and silky. Sorry guys, they are mowing or cleaning the hallways in my apartment. So if you hear any vacuum sounding thing, it's that. But thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.